I'm James, any foot and ankle specialist, and today we're going to take you through a step-by-step process of how we normally approach rehabilitation exercises for our patients with Sinus Tarsi Syndrome. Please keep in mind that these videos are for educational purposes only and they shouldn't substitute medical advice.
The aim of the first exercise is to strengthen the flexor hallucis longus muscle that runs from your big toe along the inside of your ankle and up the inside of your shin. Providing resistance from the band, point the foot down first, followed by the toe, return the toe and then the foot. Carry out the exercise in a slow and controlled manner throughout, without any pain throughout range. The next exercise is a progression of the flexor hallucis longus strengthening. Try and stand on one foot, pull in resistance upward against your big toe, lift your big toe up and down slowly against resistance. Try to maintain a stable and neutral ankle throughout without lifting the lesser toes. The final progression of this exercise is performed on the edge of a step or a book. This allows you to take the big toe joint through full range, slowly up and down against the resistance of the band to stimulate the flexor hallucis longus tendon. As sinus tarsi syndrome irritates the outside of your ankle, it's important to practice doing heel lifts while pinching your heels in against the resistance of a ball. This strengthens the inner aspect of the calf muscles. Having tight calf muscles can limit the amount of motion at the ankle joint and irritate your sinus tarsi syndrome. So to accommodate this, try and stretch your calf by maintaining a straight leg on the back of your ankle, and then on the second version adopt the same position but bend your back knee to get a stretch lower down on your calf muscle. We often associate ankle instability with sinus tarsi syndrome, so as part of the rehabilitation process it's important to strengthen the ankle stabilizers. One of those is the posterior tibial tendon. To stimulate it, place a band around your foot and lift up your foot against the resistance of the band in a slow and controlled manner, and you should feel it on the inside of your ankle. Another primary stabilizer of your ankle are the peroneal tendons, which sit on the outside of your ankle. To stimulate them, provide resistance using a band that pulls your foot inward, push outward against the band, maintaining a neutral position while lifting your foot up and down, and this can be performed on a step or slant board. As part of rehabilitation from sinus tarsi syndrome, it's imperative to improve your balance to reduce the compression on the outside of your ankle. Practice standing on one foot with your foot in a neutral position, and then this can progress onto using a balance mat, but it should only be progressed if it's pain-free to do so.
So I hope you found the video helpful. We also have other videos on the best shoes for sinus tarsi syndrome, some overviews on sinus tarsi syndrome. If you've got any questions on this video, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.